Model: 2011 Volkswagen Caddy C20 diesel 1.6 TDI 102PS van. Body: white, panel van. Mileage: 159,982. Engine: 1598 cc 1.6 TDI 102PS. Transmission: 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: starts perfect. Runs perfect. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. Driver's side door will not open, an easy repair if you know what you're doing. Mechanically this is bang on the money. Condition summary: bodywork is clean. Interior is average. Rear load area is average. Features: electric windows. EU status: Euro 5. HPI, clear. Cap retail: 4,120.